You might do these things every day without realizing they have deeper meanings, or even affect your luck. Today, we're exploring 5 common superstitions from around the world that might just surprise you. The number 13 is feared in so many countries. This fear even has a name: triskaidekaphobia. The superstition dates back to ancient times, with some historians linking it directly to the Last Supper, where Judas, the betrayer, was the 13th guest to arrive. This fear is so ingrained in modern culture that many buildings completely skip the 13th floor, going straight from 12 to 14. People often avoid scheduling important events, like weddings or flights, on the 13th of the month, especially if it's a Friday. But here's a fun twist: not everyone fears it. In Italy, for example, the number 13 is actually considered lucky. Their unlucky number is 17. It just goes to show how one culture's bad omen can be another's good fortune. Ever find yourself saying something hopeful and then immediately reaching to knock on wood? It's a reflex for many of us, but where did it come from? This popular superstition dates back to ancient Europe, specifically to pagan beliefs. People believed that powerful spirits, both good and bad, lived inside trees. So, knocking on the wood was a way to call upon the good spirits for protection, or to thank them for your good fortune. Others thought it would distract evil spirits from overhearing your plans and trying to ruin them. Today, it's a simple habit we do without much thought, but it's a fascinating reminder of how our ancestors tried to connect with the world and control their own fate. Oops, did you just spill the salt? According to superstition, that's bad luck. This belief goes way back to ancient times, when salt was an incredibly valuable commodity. It was used for seasoning, preserving food, and was even a form of currency. So, accidentally spilling it was seen as a wasteful and disrespectful act, inviting misfortune. You've probably heard of the famous remedy to counteract the bad luck. You should immediately throw a pinch of the spilled salt over your left shoulder. Why the left? Because it was believed that the devil or evil spirits lurked over your left shoulder, and throwing salt in their eyes would blind them and render them powerless. Even today, this ancient belief quietly survives at dinner tables and in kitchens all around the world. You probably chanted this rhyme as a kid: step on a crack, break your mother's back. While it sounds like a playful schoolyard game, this superstition has surprisingly deep roots. Some folklorists believe it originated from ancient beliefs that cracks in the earth were portals to the underworld or entry points for evil spirits. To step on one was to invite trouble or release negative energy. Children were warned against it, and even adults would subconsciously avoid stepping on cracks in the pavement. It was a simple way to blend everyday caution with a touch of folklore. So, next time you find yourself hopping over cracks on the sidewalk, remember you're participating in a tradition that's centuries old. In the Philippines, the observance of Undas, or All Saints' Day and All Souls' Day, is rich with unique traditions and superstitions. It's a time for families to gather in cemeteries to honor their departed loved ones. One common belief is that you should never bring food home from a visit to the cemetery. It's thought that spirits might attach themselves to the food and follow you home. Another superstition involves pag-pag, which means shaking off the dust from your clothes before entering your house to ensure no spirits are clinging to you. These practices, like lighting candles, offering prayers, and cleaning tombs, are traditions passed down through generations. They beautifully mix respect, remembrance, and a healthy dose of caution into one of the country's most important cultural ceremonies. So, which of these superstitions do you follow in your daily life? Are there any others you believe in? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey through the world of beliefs, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more surprising cultural facts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.